in the house. Counselor, so now what to say? Omwedi combine become women in gospel. I am now the president for women in gospel. Now sister, your team and him he OD women in gospel team. My counselor, papa, or executive member. I don't see a ne or back. Not in anyone who have a charge with the chinty. Davy.
Yes, so as broken now can is too much. Yeah, like Brown Camisa, we came to say congratulations.
Thank you.
And then pray that this program becomes a blessing to Ghana and beyond.
Amen.
That's it. Congratulations.
Thank
Wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Wayward Dolo. That's it.
Is that you right?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, and I can't begin to thank all of you for coming, because this is overwhelming. And you'll be adding Yanisao many so panya me shramune women in gospel for would you when him de buy shamuna me that's the papa.
First of all, thank God, sir. You've started such a thing, long overdue. Yeah, because it's like you share aware Ukasachenko for how you gather people, the women and stuff. I mean, it's good, say, an extension of what you are doing, so that not only the few people will be blessed, but the larger numbers. Not only I'm praying, say, Bon say BBC huku. Bon say we huku. Panka men poor man.
Debbie, my car me no to the. I feel myself some person. I'm inside go make us me kwana.
Yeah, you
come me kwa me some permission motor mako.
Yeah, you are doing a good job.
We thank God.
One thing I've recognized about you is anywhere you go, like people say, brighten the corner where you are. Anywhere I followed you wherever you go, you sort of bring some sort of light. So I'm praying, sir, the light that is in you will go through this radio and enter every house, enter every home, every car. And I'm also praying, sir, people will introduce your program to other people, because you are going to bless whoever listens to you. Kudos, and I'm proud of you. And we'll support you in prayer.
I'm blushing purple. Reverend Yamisha. Wouldn't him say, yeah, no, now, crying on him.
I cry, I never the back of pen. I'm it here.
Anyway,
and cram really, you near my kind.
Wash away.
Come here, come and ask me to catch you.
Oh, lay and show. Oh, catch me.
Me like you. I finished.
Oh, Papa, you. Also, Papa, you. Milajo.
Oh, Milajo.
You didn't say Milajo, no best worker. So Milajo say. It's not so Palajo. I think my mama swan on Palajo.
I don't call it.
Oh, me more about Sompa.
We just now. I found the door. It's so
Eti message manya ni onshao se obaye ai me nim se nyonkwa na nam only way o handbag e office living me back it say ono me living handbag eti we show your living handbag office ai Mrs. Bracky Nana Bia ayo it's also per fans now minim say we entertainment you pandit and see you wanna ball occasionally because near adwuma e ba wo so na nye easy thank you so much for passing through Abena Ruthy me na me now because Mr. Adman General Secretary now right associate administrator for music and musicians union of Ghana now and then President Mr. Simons or Simon do TV so any time in Nation come on Reverend Yosinaba gift Gansa una also near Biden Nyami Shamu Sompa delight Yashasi a dynamo woman
Sompa FM
Edin Kai Beda Unyanko Pass to the beer
wo ni so ade hunu bi na ye nam no enema bebe na awurade de adua ye mu na je se wupushi ansa na awurade nso etumi aboa ama na bem se de enima ne sa Ruthy de enwum na oto oye women in gospel for omo president etibia obi akra adwen ma se radio adwuma so betumi atena console nanim akasa na ne nyina sa na nyame eye no ese ye adwuma eye adwuma papa me agasa me swara na nka mbese me ye adwuma we ya
journalist okay
na nka me so me because me masi we radio presenter jama no kwa na ma me pair ne ba no no GBC na waka news feno danso abebrese
okay
timpani for pa omo tie radio ni ebe hu no danso o si mi din de danso abebrese o ka no kura na me yawu nti mi so mi wi school na so me kope radio adwuma na mo me koe no in fact me sorry me koe no in fact dem di me famu no man oh chale me say ye twen so we nyina wie ya fe wie ya se ye de ko studio na obi ya kwa akoma commentary football na me so minim football mo
pass my way and on my way and go and well
masa me ko tena ase na kotoko ne house na me tie for say de agopama so aye butu and no kotoko ne house GBC ya sem na me kayo na sem ya afem si afide na be yire power ha no agopama no so aye de afi ya share tie for ya shebo na si wa password ya mana mafa mini player bi adi wa asase so ti number 1 dia mana number 2 na kikri go kotoko ashe house no say ha studio ha na kotoko ashe house ene wa feel so mo guo nyina ya house fo ana mi so anya we born me ana me bontigo no ye beti asa ashe ene kikri no matia ashe kotoko be nan na ni nyina mu no ewade wo ba bi obi abefa etimi nim se eyewa mi so ade hu but enne na ewade am na bam eti e me mpa ebo se ewade be na ye kese na yesu ye wo hyi ye beta wachi abri bia wo be free ye bia obi mu no ye be jade ye bia na abeka ho ama program etumi
akọ ye ma mi American no ede pa se your sister baku mi kai time bi aye call London na Jonathan Butler ebe performing wo conference bi aye call o wie na osofo ni kan say Jonathan Butler ye okoye say nipa bi a ya suma no to the secular world because apart from so a gospel musicians he has a lot of collaborations with secular people so that no minister to secular people until ye who say any animal are doing well on the continent radin to two anamo NCA on fanyum to and shout touch them so now radin yankopon and fast city and shower flum radin mama sonya ding and sne what tamfo radin yankopon to two anamo NCA radin ma wachi dump him radin yankopon to tata fan ko to baby on radin asafu yehowa on wa she so de oko shall come to a brabo so ya se bonin count no how men to madai or pim beto benkum or pidu beto nifa e bin count what with your new one out of a shed one what going for katua awade ani muti and torso awade shira and torso awade abaso bo anya wabotre awade nya uchem awade nya okatabo awade nya utipejafo awade nya utemginafo awade nya orechichefo pa na de bia wa hire awade mfantomo bosumi wemu Erade ma onsere wate erade ma wadansidie erade ma nipa hunu so no na aboa no acheche ore o Kristo Yesu dimo
pim ana pebiom samode we fidie eto sompa de inhira nko na be ye wode edu sompa delight so na nene ye woni ma bebre ema o enioma ebema wani agye because some party light de tembia ye pese wani je wo sere ai na wo tu wo kwadanda ne wo nkomo a wudie nyina egu because erade kan wo ho I'll be a Abena Ruthy. Me also my backing vocalist very studio hana ya many day. Medin chiakese e koma etiefo nyina wie. Medin chiakese e koma me sister akosia ago abwaji. Madam communication. Madam I feel why. Yankropo shra me team members na producer 1 Oshaho me chia papa me nimse nche ye bete wonka enti yema obia kwa aba mama mante me auntie edubia osi adano me bo auntie edubia mo fili enti auntie edubia pacho mo kwa aba
meje so sister Abena
net say
pacho nyame adom na onso
Yankropo ngusu shaye
glowing as usual
ye be ni day say glory nim ni ye wo
na statement earrings idi ejai asemuni. Oh, they are very nice. Yeah, we your friend is statement earrings.
So who should not Enti bibi aboko. Anape Michelle. No, I don't know how news now easy. Hey. Sompa was oye. Yeah, there ready. I said, "What kind of way do know?"
This combo bleed.
Hey, wecha. And makano muyusu. This combo bleed. In fact, you ever started show no sanya na me throat here me no never said this combo bleed to me. Ama swerve no.
Hey, so many. Well, you be use one more no ankasa ne ho beche no. Yeah.
I said you use hiatus.
Me say
a balance, so see you see. Ochina Friday say ibenya say a balance feeling. Ochina Friday. Mami can chat here for na. Me kai almost say Ochina Friday. High school jama high school. Yeah, last week no part 2 eba.
Right.
Na mobe kaya ye ka say obi amfane high school picture. Ye ne ready. So channel ye call live pe obetumi upload it. Otherwise be my client service number ne so now was send na ye dey ato ha ma na mako hu me dey bi sister. Yeah. Mr. Michelle, now missing cheese sauce.
Oh, we're ready. Why are dear?
I am a bro. Now, my brother, Jam Chen, my brother, na ye lunch over. How do Jam Chen? Trousers no,
no. Yeah, someone.
Yeah, right. That's what me baby. Ebejo
power PSA.
Jamane so if I reach with myself promise me say or the Jama group be beba studio.
Oh nice. Oh nice.
Prepare next week. Yeah, prepare. Now yes, she Jamano because Charlie Friday they will say let it down.
Oh yeah. Kai. Be wom star be wom. Na members now more them hold on say china ne dear. One oba be show na boso.
Yeah ready.
Oba be show na aboso. Safone Patrick.
Na dana sebia Patrick be di
studio. O si nyambo e china kra de oba be ye wa ha ne yehu bi da. Enti ye twen. Emma pomuden. Sure. Inti abribia no ma wakuma nye light.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
We see abeji there.
And when you life and one you leave you. Any baby when any.
Ane inti emobia ma bibia nhene so no mbo to de bia asma meka no. Because we yes na uma wo credit yaw. Yes a chese nyoma pakra ba na wo kra everything because what abuto tembia tugu to a honey go to a kodanda ni go again assembly anywhere this kind of judemo enya no neka into the samanya ne to say ebeba betwem everything is for a season obi to me call from ne no abasoro ochina se wo from na wonka ho wonyame nko ade wo be free mu afie enti no fa ni je hya wakoma mu abribiara na ma wasida nye bebre da nyame ase all the time na ono erade no wo da na se no na oye mo ai enti enne no ye di dwumede ne hyehyɛ so anesa ai
Ne internet no your friend is say enti me word ye beba ni
I ama me de beba ama me de beba ai enti ye be ka de nyina album ama me de beba enti vocabs corner and I be ko me want producer abet na say bag ade o just one na show na ade
some delights.
I can be busao. Me busa say won ka Sompa delights me one. Thank you.
Me who say no bra we say da me come there me man metna program ne so. Me man metna so because
program some delights.
What do you guys? Over surprise, no. Let me tell you, I'll be a dinner. And to who dear boy, with your nose so very dear at the own time. When you say, yep, how could cheating us?
Yeah.
Oh, no, yeah, at her own pace. Aha, into no.
Why are you fabbing with your phone?
Oh, you're fabbing?
Yeah, you're fabbing.
I'm trying to get. I mean, something very helpful for you this afternoon.
We need that. We need that. Yes, sister. Now, why resuming on? And you video no online. My name is little girl. And I say, auntie, lady no oko hiatus sana.
You mean? Wow. I mean, she used it perfectly.
Wow. It's true. It's true.
And your call hiatus, why? Wow. She so had the oba so
she's learning.
I was so okay. So yeah can na ye keka ye word for the day enti vocabs corner na ye kono. Are you ready?
We are ready.
Are you sure you're ready? Okay, so I had prepared a word. Now me pesa Mrs. Hannah, but I'm still no one that's so my spirit. Nti yenfa word no. A describe a condition. I describe a condition. Condition I name nkora enya sa condition no na nkokra name like when you need do a train no utuminya. In between crown utuminya nti your partial one so okay nti ye kwa nesa nti the word for today vocabs corner on Sompa delight identilus nti we best spell it EDENTULOS. Pacho, where do have it to me? I can kind.
Identilus refers to the condition of having no natural teeth. Often known as being toothless.
Okay.
It is primarily caused by severe tooth decay, advanced gum disease, periodontitis, or trauma.
Okay.
Typically leading to difficulties with eating, speech, and significant facial structure changes. While common in older populations, it is largely treated with full dentures or implants.
Okay, so basically, no, me describe it. A scene when so be a scene in a condition here identilus. Na usaya ankora ba omuba without it, without it. So sa uhu akora bi sa. This is how you describe.
Okay.
Sa in say yare nko ai.
But that in the end, we dem last 3 days na me hwe small boy any picture bi. Na me hwe ni man. Baby eba bi try me dwe ho pa. Unse se nkwara no ba. Na se sin ni omunuma. Omafunu ntomu.
It's true.
But
no. This is something we need to.
by banner tour na ama wenim crasses.
Yeah.
But on my banana be ni honey. Yeah. Say no omo de natural omo makeup omo de apa fine. Bibia Messi see wa tutu.
Yeah, still oh na. Ban zena.
They be say Matis obisri wa say yeah so. Enti say no dey ade na be sisi ho de ahyehyem e na etutu. I occupy space e na etutu. Enti na etumi yom.
Yes.
And you know,
me pa show ko Facebook na ko share the cause why Sompa106.5 FM Accra.
Like I know your movements. But say opinion so ebia say be opinion be ma obi a weni na ni say you know or real there. Me person me aye but it is something that's across my dream pa.
Yeah.
Only see nani ma check am. But onya na say tutu du mfie na tutu ana say. Why
ye be kwa kwhwehwe. Anyway, incident loss any word no. See you say a medical adjective. You describe it, you know, say we need a symbia word no say ya kade da nti ident loss nti na wo hwehwe word a ye de describe sa na mpa
condition na
to now to be complete nti na me ka say
it's in between no see akrade o si tutu a you don't have anything to worry about because advanced chef from the here say ubenya osika kakra asa.
Anyway, enti ident loss the word for today no enti ochina no we will obia obetumi abo any of the words I am in the week no now I use am I correctly no as part of your jama in even before that time ye becha de ye beche
into 10 gig in 25
no I
nyame adoma wo china be samba
jama for no
I'm waiting for them pa
uba na ushi jama ne kama osusu betumi nya wo de anyway enti pacho konkonsa be ne wo fatu dwala and then you be friend TGMA nominees ne baako
okay
na ye ne di nkomo kakra enti we'll do that right after konkonsa enti monko
right yenhwe ene insema trend na yenka bi kakra so me sha say free Harold Amenya and the wife ni issue say Harold actor or influencer or social media content creator na afie twemu eno mo ye ayefro kama e wo kroi mu ene it was all over in sama eba fa ayefro ne ho no as usual Ghana for biko warrior onya ye celebrity nko ade and pacho hwehwe ne picture ne fato so ma me Harold
ono na ne yiri ni e de haircut bi
yes to mama me say o she guy na me is a very handsome looking gentleman people think for whatsoever reason say girl ne e wo form man hey me say
I'm social media for obi be ka social
media na ayewe ya jiegu so he posted something say married couples and I say when you be a relationship ma emfa ni pani phone enti sa asem na obeka na nkofo try some be connected to the air coso social media say is that the reason for the alleged divorce na say obani ko hu bibi woni phone so ense se ko hu ano no so ko hu bibi wo obani phone so ense se wo hu ene kofa we nyina ba ya na but I mean this conversation of partners not touching their phones really
and obi eden na ya na omudi si enti ombeso
I don't know
well ebika says ope wasum dia stay away from it depends on you how you even began.
Okay.
I really feel say it depends on how you began because say mu ya dan fofo pa na mu trust mu hu na onim say obi anfa bibia nsia you can handle it.
But do you know that on a normal day you will not intentionally no wa sheda bibia anye wo nhia hwe na wakofa ebi a wo partner phone say me check chat keke
no ebi mu ye sister ebi mu ye
I know people do it but I mean say enye say bibi na aba na pesa wo check ebi a phone kra wo ni internet you want to search for something and now the bibi chiro wo ni phone so ana ebi a o hye bathhouse and now oni ho no be free and now pesa wo pick a call no ana say emergency bi ana bibi on a normal day bibia yes inti Harold in the wife na omoda Facebook and so those who don't know the couple no omo na ye ka omo ho asem no na bibia nye wo na o say na de me filisa me mfa me kunu phone ana me mfa me wife phone na me nhwem
no be wo ho a ne instincts e ka bibi chere no so you know women are you know yeah different in our ways so be wo ha ne instincts to be catch and say onye so no be wo ko hu bibi
well depending on the wo
and I feel that some ye yonkofo na I mean mo yonkofo wo muntem na mo trust each other there you shouldn't be bothered about each other say you no you shouldn't you should build that trust
obini ni kunu to ne yire password kura wonim ni kunu password wonim
ebi so yes
and they are like no you privacy bang so for us now worry so privacy woman and sister Abena o worry a privacy be woman
no conversation tin then
we have to find a day purposely for this
Omobeka will say I mean you should have your me time Omobeka oh yeah
me time ne dey ho but I mean say me time e bia unse to da ejuma e bia won kasa kra project bia wo ye bia ubotom kra nye ejuma e bia won kasa kra project bia wo ye bia ubotom kra nye ene sane manama there are times you really need that alone time but say privacy say wo ye bibi kra unim so obi si dan so ni obi ato asase ne yiri nim
they do it all the time they do it all the time and no mutual and time it now boils down to trust and boil it down to trust say one jim who india just like you can't cross that bridge they be suspect say
me password that me phone so but my wife me onupo dey big problem done dey so what I say e been done recently phone be an on phone be an on password free that's on phone on the bag obi afa go free so me dey on better spam me use phone cry that's because
anyway
phone e go do nchen cry I want you to suffer with it
answer na wait to me
but onim the password on put your phone be cramp to that is there but offer phone me point in say okwa phone adwen wo trim
eye de
me say my wife enya caller me mpre me ho enkofa call no number 1 unless say nipa na ofre no minimum no na nipa no crap ofre 1 2 3 normally so ofre 1 2 no 5
who say agent
me say eye we are then na makofa ebia or washroom and I say call ne ba me ya de anam yama small boy go and give it to man no dey call me so me the same thing but o mo to me eje if you be data san na me yama
no way you see there any research now there
well me any die but say e bia beka say intentionally e bia dakro bia me hia de ya de bia wo hye baabi wo phone da mem so mpesa me check ya de bia say na ase de nipa no and the be suspicious
no be cry on phone
of course
timide e phone ko ya wash me ni be tuna the phone na da so e be phone dio me
anyway
you be find time here this ankomo na fa
ba dinu kre e no kan say
dinu kre
phone na we am kra bo nhyew because you know that there is nothing secretive on it.
Stop there, no credit any there is out. Oh, it's out.
It was a bim. It's
out.
But if there no credit anywhere, then what's the essence of
no credit anymore? Mrs. Sia will be at the agenda and Namwa. Patro fa kwabo video ni to so man no.
And you be sister no nyadwe. And you be agenda and no. And you should be able to build that trust. And yes, I won't quite know a bit to Chelsea and some bebem. I mobile sign which if you don't build that trust, then
the other side is that
you will lose out.
Ebia, many Ajoa Mary, Ajoa Kofa, my phone. Even me, maybe I'm a down of fire now. The pin, meaning Kofa phone, I did you also. Ebia, many of Babu from Comodi any day. Say, I bet, Obetra Quire Befaswa. Obeka, the next question.
Where did you get?
And I did go for a phone, and also another explanation. International, who know, now people know Ekasa 7 years ago, no woman because of that issue. So at the end of the day, no, I was actually bedding.
Would they be over?
So, I no say the main mine will be that. Say, Mujimu who such that me foul phone and yeshe near there, Makwako who I should be able to ask you.
Good.
Ebia enye bibienti gas our conversation no some me ji udinti na was me to me who say enye bibia I should be able to talk about it and say me dey shame team
exactly you go school no PR say it is not really what you say but how
you say
exactly
na me sometimes me say Reverend Sudanaba the wife Mama Rosemond no preaching so do baby no say can we build trust to the extent that say many Ajoa worry na say many atinka ma oba foforo can I come and
discuss it
yeah na menya ma your friend saying I'm
baby ade me ko no mani
can you should be able to
can the wife come to tell the husband say feel where me nyama bra ko joyi offer me I say me nya feeling be
well
and you say na wa from the get go wa hu to build it
sir nipa ne kan say me try it means that the person don't want to go to that
like person go
one fear na koka ukunu the we akunu tie the we ayere tie unya bie wa no pe na adane issue
any
call ni be ba na especially remember there guy ni be from me why kwa na guy ni kra na dream kra almost no any guy so nti na maka no is built on trust. Can we build trust to that level where you are having that feeling for another you can boldly come say it so that the other partner will help you can we get to that level so we need to get to that level.
The Lord is our help the Lord is our help
so trust and a friendship mama yonku fani munye tight to say anytime there's something on your mind that person should be your go-to person
exactly
once you build that thing timbia mo be so mon semo na dey say ye hu abrewane akokora no mo so munim say no mo build e omu ye konkonsa saa na omu de nam ya nka omu obehu omu na o aso ne nsa na o ye I mean omu na mo feeling kra bi ani omu but yonko fa na omu building into no we nim say me depending on way also depending on me say I'm build this ade na ye hu say Gen Z ni ade ye na ye namafo ni ade we lose out
right
yenko Asia
that's all for akwabua video ne eto so ma me why na unim say gentleman yi ye can't Ghana me one of my favorite male vocalists akwabua
I see
yeah na away a recent program be our boy
okay
after show no enkrofo so mbedidi bre yatem am say oh na tade ya ehye bre yi enfomso ben pa na watade hu and na ware show akwabua pepe
oh
and na bre is going through a lot and na bibi wo ho abeka ne yamoa o just a Ghana fo binom die see a bedi e fi asem there be minding your business only say Bible kan ho asem say mind your business
yes you got your disciples
mind
your business
mind it sister Abena Shebre dress na wode kobo show yi and from so ben na watade
on Facebook why go show on Facebook
and from so ben na watade
skin tight said one no
once or no wouldn't say Michiano, the first time Michiano in person, Achimota Moha.
Okay.
I was like, any akwabwa de chese TV no so ne ye hu wo social e boa no de chese nipa no hia na in person na wo ye kete kete enti wonye ni pakese na wakase ebia ne yese brei na nsemu wo ware ye wie yi yese nka ware de ye wokwa Ghana fo bi na eka nke wo se eye wiye because abontie dia ni wagyae sesi a sister wo fi obeno ama everything is everything in enso brei ntimi nye kese ne yese munyai sa de ne kura munyai yempesa
shabe hu comment bi
what is this
I say akwabwa we di rubber
what is this? Like, what is this?
Hey, Ghana for Munyabuche.
Yempesa.
Munyabuche.
Enti.
Oh, God heal him from whatever he's going through.
Washe. How can you say this?
No, Obi wo ha kese no ne na bonsa ho.
Like me. What the same kure be pie.
Oye ni den ya. Obi wo ha kese no onye enti no.
Yeah, enti yeah, let's give people grace. Let's give people grace.
That's all enti na won ka say. Hey, akwabwa ejuma pressure na ama no I don't ka ejuma pressure
no ga ware and na new addition into na event to be there
exactly Professor Safo Safo Edu the only anti akoye Sompa no ka say by default the brain is I say ya wire no to negative
enyoma nko
nya ba pe we dey say make us say kura no na ebi kura no fasting. You don't even know. I miss why time papa.
Yes,
papa no fasting be an issue be and fasting be no dey ginemu no. And say me say enya fast upon am fast na a whole day me didi me ya be 2-3 days we wa be say everybody. We won say me so
okay.
Say me didi enya fasting put like me didi ya. You could see
anyway, so that's it. So the point you are trying to establish is say unnim the obi fem and unnim whatever reason tia obi looky the way nipa no e looky. Even if you have a concern, there's a way you go about it. Ebi nipa no penasa o hwe said the sebe why na when nye ne ho obetimi approach na now be find a way be a obetimi nipa na kasa on feel bad. But obetimi na wa phone sa bibia yo kinansemu de esa de wuluki de mani nye ho kra obetimi ayekese kakra hey mamenya me last story na me sorry nko
asa bebe na ye ma anasa waye kese no biaka waye kese
ana waye kese sa he na wode ko na duane be na wudi de bi nim se kese bebe na enye nyai sa de no enye pachofa brother Same de ne to so mame na brother Same na nsemu mayamfa credit emma Ghana base for the video. Brother Same a gospel singer.
Yeah.
Na nansemu enkrofo kasa say papa no oyo okay. Is everything all right? Bibia ye kama. Because I say so far videos me ma too. So far na say brother Same nansemu ye hu ni ye. If we say for some time now now I resem kran ban nyina no say say awagya aware na wo se ne yire na gya no ono wane be kan ye enti we ye mamitiwa na yie ase na video we free the first one ye show bi omokobo ye recently ansa na enti wo hwa ye say de brother Same na nsemu ye nhye dan hu ni ye ye nhye dan hu ni ye se brother Same no ye nipa bi a ni mu odu
sase bi oyare na
ni mu odu na ne swag nso de jai swag ne de enyeraye eno de enyeraye ba ne nante akura ne nkrofo che se asesa ne nante akura asesa ene se social fo ne media fo yi
mpaye momo
eti momo mpaye o hye na se obi asesa especially obi a onim se mre bi atwam na onte saa ena sesi a na bi o nyeme bi a wo ye no hwa ntwa yi a me pa cho obetimi abompa ya manipa no won say nanu ye ma me Florence obinim e ba ya obe open up issues and people afen and crofo better say yes na maami enye ne na ye hunu na enye kwa na nyeme bi te ba na wu nim adekoro so until she came out to open up no na ye nyina ye nim and obi e kan de ope enti ye besere so let's give people grace na omuntimi and live your life nim de omukumu enti
Auntie Adwa, yedase. Yebeko phone lines neso na yene ye brother bi edin komo ai mama mane nye you metie for hello bro, good afternoon.
Madam, good afternoon.
Hey, me pa try to say
I don't want to answer.
Adom me hu ye pa etie for yene ye nua bema Scott Evans ena kasa ai na enra udi pie mu wo mi show yi so ena mi simi nua bema see really ena mi simi nua bema your best friend ye na kasa inti congratulations on your nominations one and more than one.
But one.
Oh, inti on your nomination. Enone urban gospel, isn't it?
Urban contemporary gospel song, yeah.
Urban contemporary gospel song of the year. Inti TGMA nominee Scott Evans ena kasa. Ne nomination ye under urban contemporary gospel, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyway, yeda nyame ase. Enti Sompa etie for etie we wie. Den e na obeka kire because ye pesa wo fa award no.
First of all, we say there will be a cinema mama for so good afternoon. I think this particular category here, I think we all know that I've so much. I've worked extensively towards it. Over the years, I've held this genre down and this category down. And I believe that there's always time for everything.
That's right.
But however, I also believe that this is the time. I think considering all the songs, they're all good songs. But we are looking for one of the songs that actually qualifies to be urban and at the same time contemporary. I think my song cut across. Did you say? With for more and your votes, so much votes. It's possible to make me this category.
Sharp. First time I nominated was a category ni. Okay. Until this time there, they mau. It was said by me. It was said by me because I know. Sorry, Mr. Now say say I found my pa. And yet story is we need to add our support. And for Scott Evans and our water TGMA ne category one year urban contemporary gospel. I mummy and famana no why juma minimum why juma papa over the years. Oh yes. Why juma and yen famano. So what's your code? How do we vote?
The patrol voting they very simple. And say I tell you also be a what is number piano. So dial 1767 star 1767 ash. Now what voting me number N4.
Okay.
Say ultimately so you tell you so I wait my call www.ghanamusicawards.com now. And so I put a free voting day free in message say Obia Bekohono because my ad deserve it, but I thought Banswa and then so yeah different front. Just so be I say Obia Mboa Namunta Bacho.
Sa and me pe point ne pa. Ye kasa why ni vote here kasa no and to vote no but say ye konia ko vote ne bebo ampacho team voting e nim bi my why
star 1767 hash.
Star 1767
hash. And I mean number near N4.
Okay, into star 1767 hash. And a number near N4. Edini Scott Evans. Okay, category near urban contemporary gospel. Oh yeah, we show well. And
Amen.
Oji award ni we are ye best fro. Now you're celebrating with you. Hey. Sa fe enti ye bo abaso erade mwa na wakoma so ade emre mu ma.
Amen.
Okay. All right. Yeah, that's it, papa. enti your brother Scott Evans and I attending Kano I was see a year who near Votimano. When ya became there, I mean, Sompa delighted it. Sompa delighted it. When ya a bassonet, ye bebo mama, ye bebo mama, and see ye in a short code never sang to job before ye be end it show no. May brush. Also for hygienic, healthy living, always choose Yas toothpaste and toothbrush. Now, open products maybe a markets baby. Ubenyevi. Accra, our number is 050-1619-588. 050-1619-588. Na Kumasi is 050-139-0338. Kumasi 050-139-0338.
Yes, what do you see my son? But the betrothed is me. Yes, what mama.
Na etimi bubu oto ase ka wo se dwe wo srem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ya adwuma pa wo mu yenti abasobo o magye wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia je se 21st clinic nkoa wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magye din wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa nifa so wo frama saman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so eho na wo behu ye 0540-311-311 0540-311-311 na se 21st clinic still wo mu ye sciatica expert
Hajia special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wo aduane ne wo aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese wede na kese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a Hajia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de entie fe ni local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes wo apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se eya abonti na aduane edi yenye ni bisa dabi Hajia suro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyi ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tena se no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfra Hajia special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mo timi serve Hajia special local food pese wo fra eye 02463599921 02463599921 anasa 05947972115 eye 05947972115 na wodem
medo edrano pa wutimi to wo boase etwitwi wusi o ado na so ni se me de Yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwi mesima minya homka senti na ye bokoi na me die me all time favorite Yas herbal toothpaste and the brush aboa me amasesei menum nso a enwunu anasa de ehia me semfimfem me biem na wo hwasa mesi aye fita sesrecha homa na et brightens Yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and me di hwimese enti na wo se afei na Yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ne die ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham oh yes enu krotrodo Yas herbal Yas whitening and Yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush abusuan chamfa se wo pedudu tu e won kran ha from Leicester Ghana Limited and was 050-161-9588 Leicester Ghana Limited and the Yas toothpaste mo ahodo and the brush abadwaso abeboy
tontonte yenum nsane efa adwen ampa say na nim se brebi beba ama tonti na 74 opa ye simple T74 abeye adru tonti na 74 ana T74 asa twe ya dwene asina nanom dodo so se de na dodo bua ma na nanom enyare basabasa no saa na tonti na 74 ana T74 ebu anipadua no ema immune support eti obi onum bie no no abrebia ne ho den tonti na 74 yi nso yaye no se nsuo krokro wa kama enti ba bia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ samene wa ankafi na ekroyi eda no nkọ na wie ye wa bra mennom T74 se mennom tonti na 74 menya hoɔden mennom ne da bia T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoɔden ni apomuden ko a wokɔ pharmacy ana ba bia to no bia ubenya tonti na 74 yi bia to T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a ɔma nufuo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu eto phone 05016289931 and 0246073498 FDA agi adwadie nkrato yi atom.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, ne Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesa Kikwambo.
Oyunyaku pondi for wastrano ewe brim, and I'm Nensaso ama onyaku pore yahon what yepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach you some First Service. Our home a new TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasisia. A bro nyankupon kasa chenemba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the spirits of God reposition your life.
And Mason First Service in Chawo Home Hoda. A yajuada kusi if yadanopa. Anopano numkusi anopanunsia. Fawodaning na share radins. Na erade beye.
Yehowa ne mi muade nyina ai sana yebeda mi jidi sabedwa for sa no mbeye Uncle Fred me mo akwaba mi jidi se de bia wo crash ya Yehowa
Sample pepe
say na ya na history no I am ma wo team say na sha Yehowa history na ma
unsa ababna na mo ye management nyina ba ko sha gwa wajeri team obi a ho ye
madam communication
mo pay producers ni mo DJ Frunya Chubia na wi ya wada so na e ma me ni papa nyina krada o ma me ya oba ya kuma papa bi and I'm the late ya Asabri chairman santi ma me baby obi a na no dodo no kakra nti no baby obi a no chia no
ene Sompa the light crew ni nyina ye chia no yesre nyame hira ma no ene apomuden ene apomuden na she da say na ya na frufru
o ba de say ja watra ha nka ha ana asa ko ayi
me go achibota
akra papa ha tude
udia waka achibota school ase ochna high school corner no yeah the old school pictures e bana makohu ba akubia
e be wan say musa was TV prime ni
anyway, then I'm Reverend.
Hello.
Bacha Kwaba.
Inia.
Boko de.
Bibia boko ano ewie so no ye di ntia ma etiefo nyina. Ye by say ye ba be som won wo sompa.
Oh sir, ye be delight you, ye be delight you. Aye, ye dey ready as na ma bo we dey na me nka me say ochina me release Sompa Delight other songs now they are ma be no nti hey etiefo nye ready.
Nye ready cry.
Enyu ne dey bebre ye dey ready as nti yaba. Now, just before Mubere Monomene, Scott Evans Ekasaye, a TGMA nominee for Urban Contemporary Gospel. And just so pushy pass a yen to mano. Na any majuma waye, and Tiana media eja, on the Miaka say, dear, Midibatuja, ain't he? Mama, my fan short code need to say N4. Now, short code near *1767. And *1767. Now we're voting N4. I'm N4. Scott Evans, Michelle, Urban Contemporary. Now, Minto Mamo, more favorites, Romana. This year, TGMA nominations. Hey! Uncle Benjamin, who are veterans in the industry?
I really may bias. We say, we'll be so much by a white. They are white.
Okay.
Why the other measurement?
If you're white.
You're right. But when you share, I'm in Echo.
Oh, for artist of the year.
The artist of the year. Anybody, you will come and be wow. Yeah. You see, I've supported, and nobody ever supported me. In 2017, I supported Joe Metal, he won. In 2021, I supported Dana Hamilton, she won.
Okay.
2023, so Mr. Hassan, we support my PCS star or gospel artist of the year.
Okay.
She won also. Now a converted a price, but already offense say this guy Black Sheriff.
Okay. Yeah.
There be other time. There be no kiddy and yeah, Mr. B Kidansana. I can't stand for correction at that time. I told no answer a stone boy and on the
we need to check the records.
Dan Hamilton kiddy.
Okay.
And then
okay.
And at that time, to 2023, so now PSC and Black Sheriff, and then I still will be winning 2024. Pafina, Makana, Black, you can promise winning.
We need last year.
When the show about that time, and now Ebony, no, by intimidation will be in the industry. Among folk, I can do talent in their day, no copy one, why, that's me who be good. Until we kept encouraging her to tell her this day in January or call. The year award then you want to buy come on leave the boy today boy you know it be the all my vote with the comma the friends when they say the other places gospel no gospel for nya emi nua ma emi no that mean person conflict bi na ka ba begin you know it me must stay do try our side maka to me na say this is me vote do am obi kra na me kan because the moment I got top to be no na akwa beginning no some tension be eba ana kana tension be also anyhow so yeah timi the TGV there all baby are going to be but oba me vocal no
so why bias that out
so won't be come these are the me bias to fan chemi you want kind of you be able to my offend say calculate me best male vocal. It is a Scottish so the barbecue or on baby don't want to consider. But overall, I think it's a good competition.
Oh yeah, it is. It is a boosty artist, you know.
Yeah, confidence.
And the confidence, you know. And I also I am now a outside community no so no. Almost stress on your way. Internet boy.
Sompa.
Yeah, boy Chatterhouse abaso. Reverend. Who favorite today why?
Ya kwaya gospel for idea na nke ye be call ama Dinah
Hamilton, okay.
But se wo share category ni mu a they are all strong contenders.
Okay.
Wo share Black Sheriff he's recognized for a lot of hit songs. In that year of review.
Okay.
Osha Medical or non so or a very strong contender in that particular area. Now Osha Stoneboy honestly or a consistent heavyweight person. Now Osha Sarkodia so Sarkodia koye Oluma Osha Montem. Emma near fe. Afi na fe what they when the she or also no, I think say she's been able to do a lot of things in the industry. Now being there, no, me feel say she deserves it.
Yeah.
To be in that particular category. Into no, but as I said, no, because of my background in terms of gospel ninti, I will go for Diana Hamilton. Okay. But in any way, no, Omumu be a good contender in that particular category. Omumu be a winner, and you're bad.
It's Hannah, I kasa votes near Juma. Inti nye say ye kasa ye support near there, but when vote ya money only pana onya. Ehona obewie na why disappointed ya fam mama nipa you know me expect so obewie ni ade
hustle na ya me what problem when it comes to voting. Yeah, sometimes you know a comma one fan base wusika. What am I say? And I'm voting no say multiple votes. Inti emma wunya the correct figures, you know, emma particular artist. Inti for me no ya na a hot side na Mr. because obia onye popular and I say njomu ko echi kra na say or that particular category mo na nechi wusika obetumi wini.
A point of correction. Also your public. Your academy you know board.
I'm talking about that particular
and to mon kwa dey need to influence be and our problem some limitation. Say be the same number no be 10 enye bi mo checks and balances be on there. Yeah, man.
But still, I still have a problem. Even when you come to the academy, academy no obia on the favorite. I won't call for one. But be board no could be on the favorite. What am I saying? Even the board no crowd. Obia on the favorite. It doesn't make it solid. It's obia and yes, I go winnie biano because of influence. Bet me a winnie. Okay. And I have a problem with that. So for one, me know when you drink.
No, so Neopathy said not true reflection.
There's not a call true reflection. Once you have been nominated, you say Ecclesiastes 9 verse 11, overtaking is allowed in this world. It's allowed. See, you have competition. You have competition. Competition will be a person winning. Yeah. Nominate will be a everyone be eligible to win. Name more bump. The strength of your arm will determine how many acres are. Yeah. I don't know. It would Tibuta said, did you vote? I don't know.
Yeah.
Even academy in the crown, some are influenced with money. Outside in America said there should be a system, even though it is a good structured system. Something should be done. A bit to me, at least a perfect crown, a bit more close to perfection.
Said now, the KPMG bem you.
Hey, KPMG no, our crown send me to meet in Jim and Zao.
You know what can you say? I was it's a business entity.
It's a business, yeah.
It's even a Memphis nomination. Maybe chairman about you to so papa board no as a 2015 I was the longest serving member of the board. I know what goes on. Yeah. We try our best. It will be a critical board and be very careful because I tell you that.
Yeah.
I don't say your interest room.
Of course.
That's why we vote. But young woman interest in override the whole
Okay.
So it will be a don't be throwing artists of the year for you. You should say Obia a Juma. In one way or the other because market scheme in the house. So what we can follow with the from 60%. Okay. It goes 100 no. Uber artists of the year anymore. The thing they be way amount for vote to no way no. I send it then the amount you need the pastor so can yes. You know yeah, but at the same time no.
And to be in your project. Say a business in project. And to be in your project.
Say kobo yesu say you go idea. It be your project.
Where and you preaching. AOB business.
No, one will say AOB business, but one say a good time you cry now. Obeshana categorization and crown especially with the generous. And sometimes I have me bisa say into your 1 year say Jumano.
Yeah.
Omunimuana. Omunimupa, a one amebano. Omunimupa, but to me chinchim and some obi. And Kenya so bimno, I abim.
And any problem, no? Or you mean
that is the problem we have.
And any problem. So I say I was giving we are see your standard reference, like artist of the year, no day.
Yeah.
Then so about do this maybe hour, and I will hear. Can I know what about do so? If you want something new mobile, instead of hip life, they feel contemporary. High life. I chose this a contemporary. They may be if you. Yes. No group for. In fact, this group a year friend say category friend record of the year. Record of the year no. Your home na me can't answer me say Rev, obit my anyone when you can promote and your money.
So you need a good
quality.
That is where I have the problem.
So you see that why are they technical people like us? They're about moves and you way. Baseline the boy you be seen here. It you found and count. Okay. So every year be basic categories no, but whereby if you say baby was a kitchen, we make it at all. After the law is made for the people. Among those the laws no and more it may be free. It's just static. Say chanchra, they all know and find ready. Last year say also, I'm a group of the year. Now come here from this year crown. About for the car group of the year no. On the amount for the car because they say group of the year group no or man ganem. Oh. Now on the car dope nation for some say they don't want to belong to the award scheme. Tina call Laila and Lola say Lola
ex Lola.
Any other groups you want and all the mobile account. It's any day we're going to have that kind of problem.
Now the young chef voting academy in Accra. I mean academy in Accra. Yes, DJs. Yes, producers. I don't have any problem with producers. I have problems with DJs. And then a DJ you want.
Oh, if you are not there,
so I said, okay, you
they can't send me.
You know, so for Casso.
Media personalities. And then no one or the bed judges say a new way and a ye and I say any. I'm not meaning say what's in the American.
Say then category of people belonging to academy.
The problem with young fan is Uncle Fred was bored no so. Uncle Fred is a technical person. On how to do selections in terms of even genre. DJ Dianya no ya so all bonum. Now oji payo wechi.
So for the radio, because radio. Say she here who feel.
I'm talking about
the general.
How do we have a copy?
Sana air coso, which should be looked at. Uncle Fred, that's an idea.
They also for me say Beham Sopa. They tell you, name me. Scheme there, one. Who shared the organogram of the award scheme and I say music, you know.
Okay.
You were Dotronum. Or true, we are. Or the Ubiama melody lines, so how the brave being or you are, yet a more memorable so a tea. They were arranged and so. You read your best studio. Only your line of production, you all understand musical. Your best to do so, Dobel recorder and so. Technical hand, the best machines in the now. You are the mix it. Master engineer so.
Yeah.
You know we are the decision by executive producer don't so also stake room. Because executive producer and you man convince on that game more. And just so between we staff rotation kwani ka to do more. And to do. Ti ha no. Offense say rev argument say DJ Sinimu na fall obi say I fall flat. Yeah, we are not about commercialization of the music. Radio presenters, DJs, when I'm about no. Be about Numbia or Timmy mixing with BPM, we are on music.
Okay.
You can't pick out with new music. So 2-4 being you know for being more, or the BPM that's it. No, I'm a never see super peppy. They know music. They know music, but some of them could walk on keyboards and I didn't be bop our music, but only say DJ and you know, say Rev and the wholesale bomb say. Because of where DJs into so and you enter the board and a transia. Actually, among phobia woman don't ever count. That is it. And at the same time, also the boy no far reach echo. Sitting and saying, can radio the invisibility. A can cable radio to be away. Then it's by courtesy of Facebook. I'm not from stream on Facebook this year.
Yeah.
Who show me about streaming no amount for every or it's the DJ we try to say in particular boy when it comes to popularity
this one, people prefer this one to the other. It is so. I was Steve.
No, Mr. Main cattle kit to Abena. Yem pick it. Yes, sister online. So hello.
Afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon. Sister Diana Hamilton.
Hey.
Yeah,
the support our
in Pombo, dear. Meaning say you're on the road now. Why you busy? But me say and then you can't TGM issue until I was here to me friend. Now incoming artist of the year.
That's right.
Yeah, gospel for Amen. Me jidi say bibia e kosoboko. Aya nya messages in say oh boy adwuma so. Ai. Nia de wo ho ne say ya nominate you no. What committed to working towards it, and that's beautiful. Who say bebe na sometimes they nominate you no. Nkofo what category mu yese and then mean baby na, but you have committed to working towards it. We are happy and na gospel for the say wa unim you throw your support baby I'm saying you throw your support ai enti ewie frɛ wa na Sompa for eja ye pese ye to ne one. Na wo bibi so catch etie for what you expect them to do in this season so ampacha obetumi dia atuja.
Right. I mean share with tie for no apamfo uni omo edi jume na me say mo abaso and congratulate you.
Thank you
on
sis.
your position. Okay, say me ma on ti mo nya go I feel me beba.
Sharp. Yeah, the award ni beba.
Congratulations
Thank
to you.
Sis.
So for what he's doing in your life.
Amen.
For all the support there over the years. And you can say and we say on phone so and only young person in terms of all the nominations we have Gospel Artist of the Year, Urban Gospel Song of the Year, and then the overall Artist of the Year. It's an honor, say, a woman view, and ye junior me to say, over my media be feeling.
Amen. And see, short code no, penny amehu no *1767.
So
okay.
Let me just be. Let's get it right.
Let's get it right. Who here pa? Enti for your yes sister. Diana Hamilton. *1767 hash.
Okay. *1767 hash, and then Artist of the Year A6. A6. And best gospel artist E2, and best urban contemporary gospel song N3. It's A for Apple 6 and the artist of the year, E for Echo 2 for best gospel artist for best urban gospel.
Wow! Wow! Jesus is
Amen.
Cool like that. If it's a higher. That's a pa money pa. Papa. Thank you.
Okay then. Bye.
Enti yes sister Diana Hamilton eja muama suma mama kwa ni course ni subio me say me aja me yamadwuma me boa enti your sister 1767 A6 E2 and N3 and for the various categories no I N3 ni urban gospel category no and A6 no me hwene me hu. Yes, Papa.
This question view. Inti omo that category no e bi so fra wa beba momo sa.
Me yemejua. Me de to fra me ni agberade mpai. Me de to fra ni agberade mpai. Na who say beginning no na Uncle Freddy ka say na e bi person de into ye ba ne ade but I said it here say yes award ne ba ye beje but enye the ultimate thing yedi bata ye ministry hu say chinchina chintie wo say me ni obi ku ana me ni obi yes de yen in your circles ni de bi o yen tokwa no yen soso ya nominate ya accept it ye push it na yetumi enya if we get fine if we don't life goes on you know until yeah we she yes to start the very best and I will be biara or what a category nim no
yeah I was normally be able mama near job say Guinness Ghana Limited oil count sponsors no or see the winning album of the year remember 100,000 Ghana cedis.
Wow,
you know the reason why to encourage people to produce more songs. Albums. If albums in that.
Nothing singles.
Yeah, singles because to be brave, but about you one pay mommy because of financial constraints.
Promotion no.
And yeah, easy.
We are Obama. And you know, you all know. Ufa ba kumienu promote and no one brand not just say 7 na was one na 5 na. I mean yeah. It's only say
I just saw the Yarugu a hole. Say, I don't know. What do Play Store? What do go
online?
Okay. Streaming the maybe to me, we get money from it. That's all. Too far we say 2 months. We was saying we are a month 40. The next month, no. It ain't good to the end of the year. Little to 5 crown. Now my phone say yes. We have 5 room. But you gotta say you want when you want to a 3 or 4 months. The fade.
When you tell me sir, okay, streaming na seven na madwene STV so and then me government see you edi nkomo na enra if I will be going into that you know very soon ye ne abawakoni eka ebe ye obefie ha me ne di nkomo kama and or mention royalties ni emu nsenseme wo ho a nti ana pay me ne di nkomo say I mean ne omo ye bia no omo ye fan tudwa so that they will understand artist bear ebeti ase because minim so omu ye adwuma omu bo adwuma omu started the neoma to in place nti no emrepem no oni ebe kasa na enkomodidie mo na me realize say me streaming na yibi kra asafisi oba bi a che say enka process bi wo ho a e wo se nka menya but me nyae enti wo ka streaming na say me na me can so say sometimes ayana artist ni yen follow through sa nema we nti ni yenya ho mfaso no enti obi wo ha obeka streaming na so obeka so hu so she because ebi odi ama obi na odi ato ho nipa no ne o hihye ye kura odi feel form bibia where even the proceeds go to onya we na fe twagusa enti no so ba begina bibia ka say streaming mi nya hwe enti no enyum chone de ensem bebre ne wo hara anyway. So like I said no yesterday we had a chat with Yemame about akone na ye bonabaso Emma or refer you to another person cry nenyum in fact ye ba no mommy ran down of empenyufo ni bia almost state na omo no asked fem meanwhile omo ye juma over the years pa and namafo ni ye to me edi ye charge si ho say me wo frame me dia say na meje me compromise because me the team ba say but then no omo no na je say ono no ni dia popular na no na ye ne de enti okwa ne so oko enti sisi ano how are we handling this as industry people? What do we tell authorities a bit to me assess what is happening now because a narrative now for some time now.
Nema omo bia ko mu a omo wonyu to for omo hihye music guys say cool enye by force say musician bia join the same thing applies to the collection society. Collection society organizations bia omo se me na ba wa kono ma bom nyum yeah we che o nyami sunsun say you baby obi bobo bia no kodwo hu sika mami is do afia be ye ho account mami to die na family dey mami unfortunately on my way we don't lock if you are so account say omo ya nyuru ya na fi o ma ya mo bo Sompa with about one is I said the first album where Oma copy crowd to be a mawa. She doesn't have. Because those times, no mobile band.
Yeah.
They were in a group.
Yeah.
We didn't call the group, no. Until say, in the solo artist. To record I don't want to record the no.
Yeah.
Band, no. Oba band, or guitar, you to come on band, yeah. But the musician of today, no, he's not static. Obama mama to Ofia or call Dana, or for you. Oh, about mama. So band system now, no. There's only few people that you see them. They gather themselves and give bar, no matter what. To record is here quite different. Those days, you know, when you record is now, yeah. Was it Midakoma Obi so on top recording, you name it, or top recordings in Yana, about this car.
It is all no.
What wise will be behind the amano?
That is the problem.
Emma, in your man, no Indian paying for no so the current situation, it is a you can't go and now producing a year. You can go back 25 years in it. You won't let you do the Janoa. Between now, because I'm Padu records or in Yano. Now, the macro quack near according to what they are going to because of Koyano. All the tall instruments, man, and I man record this. Why am I you were child career? It's Idaka, and that's the problem the old generation is facing.
Yeah.
All like now. Now, I don't kick idea by reference 40.
Yeah.
And all kinds of cover lances. So, me a sure say, or say what you know. Obedient, you know, I could to her or no, they didn't want. Papa cry anymore. Because at that time, no, Abusafon cried at Mutamaki. I don't kick his embayano. And a communia, and communia don't kick you, but Tamana don't kick you. All from bear or 5 million views. Some guys on pull it down. Don't pull it down. Scanning by him, better be when you be. So, Gamoni, a 4 cents, Gamoni, a collection society, and you pay your joint. Said I'm a kind. Almost almost share. Very no ebano. So Sompa and you be a fear of PBC and you want boy Malogia now. Will get it say. Anybody don't say and about coninium, yeah, can I call you say more. About for body I discard this one at J.
That stage,
the to say on or buy, I almost to scale so. Says can be about when you Biana. But I sister knew her. And Sana who ban the Bible found said, what do you repair to a Yago? Near whom ban and you or more about how many is our boy in about the report web problem. Yeah, but your sister and yet Guma. You see, on my news so you near took it Jagote to Goom. And I saw man on now, the Bian Cassie used to cry down and cry to Sebi. What about Udo Papa to say, who will be wagging gun and ya, Sebi, or no, Yano de Puquasi interchange, or they are talking as all. How you would do the baby as well as you will be wagging. This is the problem that we are facing here. The systems and such a they are not allowed and yet. So the musician of today, I can't content crew, yeah. So sorry, if you don't carry your own a year, a problem. The about I don't get. Oh, problem, papa. So say yes in you hardly about for the boy yes in you. It will be a sorry you cry, but when you are going crunch. Debbie, a baby, or children, Yamia, and one or set someone who didn't probably any baby in a way and notice I should say you knew. I used to be a yes. The kind of competition is only a no so count. Because maybe the type of song but yes, because at that time that say line in the also your program what yes to be to you might not hear a song being played. Yeah. Unless all could be a yes in you and the anti I say dynamics and not yet to near but that's it.
Abena, I'm saying my brother I can't but near Kosono has got to do with structures.
Okay.
Structures no anyhow. Say structures no wa. In kaya bonyum na pe ebe appear say ya boss anyum we. And I like my brother kan no. The society is voluntary. Wopa na wo kojiska. For example, obia bebia ye edwume bia ya digiska ye bonyum bia no. E wo se hotuaka. Question says sa akoso ana. And I would triaka sika no why na de bema in terms of musicians no because uko let's say hotel A and you more bono ebe entirely different from hotel B and unti nanka gamro what license or the various eduma omu yusu edum because some of their license like the other time we said no their license to collect for us and also pay Wahu. Inti yanya ne sadia. Na wankasa wamfa wonyom anko say omunye hu bibi dia. Then it will become a problem in future. Na ya meti anyom tofo no say omo ka say compulsory no e o say yetumi nye scare free gamro ho na na a problem.
Yeah.
A problem kakra because they should understand the system and how it works. Yambo wonyum TV so wo pehu sika. Yambo wonyum radio so wo pehu sika. And most of the time so the sound microphone na ya won kasa kese pa. And I say won nyi the question is say won wa won nyi no. Endra me TBB e wa ha say abawa kone na o ka say nka obi pese otononyum. And na me ka o makuma mu say so ton man nipa kon na nka asa. Secondly, on it despite music ye juma, the question is a day agreement pona ye sign she might not even know. Most of the times no musicians say ko ye we ya ono ni ohia ne senka ne nyum no epia bonten or say we blow but on share clauses na e wo enyum krata na e say ode ne nsesi so no on share e na bi no wo krapo so a omo ni contracts kra wo ho. Let me put this straight. My brother Fred, he should be one of the richest sound engineers in Ghana because he is on a lot of songs. But the question is this: Obi ko register na nyomwa ojanu wom. A lot of them. Amon troni dimpo wom say we. And there is a portion, our paper no so what Philip.
Anyway, I'm just putting your leg.
No, yeah, creative work, because what the lyrics, and the son of person to depend on the buy. No, making sure that sometimes crown or crana, our arrangements now. I have been with Uncle Fred, would you know, or cassette, and or by catching people say, Yenny say, which tells you, say, even with your arrangements in the crown, he is part. It is a wood say arranger. Our son also did the womubi. Wood shop composition, you did it. What am I say? And even instrumentalist on the boy, yeah. A instrumentalist, live guitar, saxophone. Question is, even musicians, did they insist say most of them did not, and so they are working into. Let me give you a perfect example. Dinah Hamilton is a hit, but she's not the only person. On my a hit. A lot of people contributed. Meaning in Crawford, ball minimum Crawford a ball we so nyomoso. Question on the form no mo failure some Crawford now where they presented and I say ye juma na omo gi sika na omo ye we no. Remember say we intellectual property. Na intellectual property now we wo the end composition no. Producer no so ye ene de. An intellectual property. Even though oji wusika but what we are talking about things of the mind. Everyone should know say you should be represented on whatever is being filled. And our musicians also read contracts well. A lot of people are in trouble because of contracts someone reading a year. Into musician the young kind contracts in a year pa.
Said yeah, uncle I said wait there.
Papa way, I have known him from 1999. I mean, or started so yamenyum. No kwa gamrura. Menyum bi amede ko biya ni dinwum. But the question is, other musicians, are they doing the right thing?
Yeah. So Reverend, it's that education way. Why mo ne was home dema? I mean, some party lights. Ma because mother Roma mo ha. But institution be here was so mu piasa education we ma artist ehu no mu ti ase ana. 1
Gamru. 2 Musiga.
Okay.
And 3 omo nim die.
Okay. Until they are supposed to ensure education we ever cut down. Yeah.
Yeah. The only amount of money you can get at time national service.
Of course, oh, shall say down today, Jumana, we know.
I know me. Me and Casabi are buying Trabica. Probability workers on a mayor. Said the baby was so chair Mario and media. I do not be able to buy Trabica time in national service. I buy Trabica. That can you know. It's you know, wow, to us an artist, no. One to me and your name, yeah. At the end of the day, no. One of your goods come to me could tell snakes and I say, baby, say, I will I won't give one. What you may. It's a good money, money, or no, or no, wouldn't know that, do I want or ye, it is almost one Kenya who now can where didn't you knew or because to do first of all, we had them answer that I got your producer no tea. No, I do a to do big Ben do a could tell Kenya. We are much amount front money. It was a car where when you be a fine investment as can you go to produce and all. Sir. It's about only she won't apart from say Biakaka copyright is you know. You did tell you go maybe as a producer when a producer did the cacao we did cacao being no. So I can decide most of them sold their event right. Yes. One said what time on one? Yes, what time? And yet it's a 4 pound. And then we now call some of them say among your mom effect fat the album they don't have. No be crowd one say Biaka producer no crowd. It's crowd they took it's a lot of people are among you more Kimunyanum that the amount for the go out with this canon. Yeah. I want shall I the system and now kind of system no it doesn't help. Seriously, because me a do my 41 years when you copyright is can be a that when you gamus can be a that never. Wow. Never in my life. Wow. So we are from say no me be that. What you say? I said be serious. System no serious. System no twin track be oh. Kagana ha Kagana sebe na mo book we had to catch crooks Freddy ma me to he me yeduma bia all of a sudden ade chinya about ma be da ka hu me fie me se me tu kan ko ba even na unya se ska no e ba you hwem obi a I tax identification but ha no akata no enye dwuma so sister no timu a na oba mu a unya usika na you reinvest so do chame kwame no ayi that we reinvested your money Shatawala reinvest his money. Somebody to reinvest. Obi other franchise. But it's rather unfortunate say some of our musicians of old, you know, they were depending upon band and on contract ba. When you see car, say you the donor when you na phone and I do be ho. By the end of the day, in terms of do man on way no, scabber net that be this near the yeah. It becomes a problem. Burden. So when you saw Wakwamuno Emre. Yeah. It will be over for a Uncle Fred, who paid us snit say me, and Emma Mekai say music guy. Because of sad problem in Tino, Yetimi institute snits for musicians. Even that's no crano. If you don't patronize look, Ghana has a so high life over Pat Thomas, Ambuli, Smart and Cancer. Boba Jad of Grabia any few all the old musicians they are all gone. The Abena board be who wants to say the Spartan cancer ni I'm actually the day could you chewing boda. Oh, and then if I went to that a music guy authentic high life. I come 25th next the donor very free. They be ticketed. Okay. Ticket that was plus 233 25. Plus 233. Yeah. Step by step. You see, how much? Organize the easy. Yeah, organization ain't easy, but to see. Maybe I walk a but okay, Scano. If you may be brave, plus 233 I was managing there. Obu have a ball up. Obi huno. Every friends on the bone feel party man my own. Yeah. People who go there no more. Enti kodon no more watch the dem no say there be baby e doing the here no. You be charge. It's on bar. Mama me 100,000 Ghana cedis me be bomb because on to obi the dash won say. Yeah. We need the street be na bia ho. Ti no ani to charge boom utuama na akwa baba. And that's the problem of the Ghanaian. Yeah. It's a problem. I'm telling you. Big one. Tinkwala banum de omo hunyansa wo papa easy we dey say akwabo ani ekuvi kanata me check you over rough yeah party as where they are so boakra no more yeah because so they sing and then compose their songs according to those themes that be very relevant yeah that be wedding birthday that's right I see me who say I mean who can say omo compose be relevant to you know me who say o chame kwame compose be clap
Now I say Sunday school rhyme.
Aha, so nkwala.
It's interesting. Yeah, of course, lyrics didn't penny for lyrics, but Senya Ekono, I say, Washada catching nature be, just for fun. Anyway. And come on, way him more de but the Abena so I be and let me take your final words. I believe say industry no. Yeah, you be kana ye. You be bohwa na ye. Like I said, Gamro omoye crowd say omo be ni be kasanti. We will get to know nia omo so mo ye. Ya keka niama enkoso ye no. Aha omo so mo de nia enkoso na omo ye neba abetu dwa nti. Ye be nti Uncle Fred, your final words.
Yes, sir, be kano omai no problem akupa umpire for the creative industry. A place of performance. As at now, TJ may be in the 20s. Umunya venue crowd the bay.
Wow.
Yeah, because the venue has been overstressed. Everybody want to participate. Some van go Lagos Sports Stadium. Unfortunately, time when we say raining time. May yeah. Sir, it's not just say you drink a can or a
can.
And that's the problem because the Macron so be invested. Oh, side no. So you see what the be our year na say you revenue. Yeah, revenue. Sports complex don't we see tema no. Since some Africa almost be use order.
You see the problem?
That's the problem. Did they be a better service to serve public topi? One for regime social responsibility. Okay. If we have equity pokwasi road no. I am my mom for checking road the way about Kina for cars near that it says is what say a quiny beam no omo ya pet car says so say be talk on omo ya oil in gugu a quan let's say hard cash idea offense asphalt and that is as they say no to move here say anyone
anyway or say Professor Bochi be shama
to move here na mo find social responsibility area all right
yeah that's it Reverend
yebeka say industry no achia nanso emuye
yeah
nia yebetumi aye de aboa no ye nyina yebebo moden ne yaye ne ye de aboa se ne be ya ochina no yebehunu say industry no eden ekuyi afi medinchi akoma etiefu bia wo a wotie yem bia no nyankopon hirawo
amen ene na nyankopon enhirawo so Reverend Eisen ene Uncle Freddy, my Uncle Fred. I bugger swag on Papa. Nyami Shafa Mede Asidakes Emma Lexter Company Limited, producers of Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush. I almost saw Yasne Emma Edi Jumedi Ebremo. Na me fast Dakes Emma mi team Papa producer one Odi4 Jeremiah. Nyami Shaw me chat rich bits my DJ. Na me online producers online producers Saint Augustine Anna Lady Jill Ann me trading and many I just say media we just ane Abena Ruthy ochina nyasam ketwa Chese Jamano ya ready pampacho wo old school pictures no wo kaya na me show but modiana ye no ready ma me fa your client service number into dwa obetumi asende ama number enti 0531886216 0531 886-216. I mean somebody view 0531-886-216. Your client service a number near BBBA person who fast Sompa on Michelle who fry a bit to be the amount. But for Chinano, yeah, old school, no before and after, no, but one day for our picture or secondary school pictures. Like I said, menya media be na giddy. Madam I say, Hannah, you will see.